That's my rubber tree. Almost lost it. And some caladiums, more cannas, caladiums. I think all my elephant ears are dead. Snake plants, the green with the yellow, I've been had that one for a while. But the other ones are the one, these other green ones I got from, I bought the plant for Yetta Services. Of course, my cacti. These are the ichabod and the white eggplants. Uh, what do they call those? Yuccas. I got from the seeds, and they're growing good. Of course, oregano, Cuban oregano. This is another um, green Malabar spinach. I started these from seeds. They're doing good. They need to come out. Here's my key lime tree right here. I lost about half of it. That's my pomegranate bush tree right there, which I haven't done anything with other than let it grow. Just the avocado tree I bought earlier this year from Downs. It's doing good. Cuban oregano in there. My other rubber tree, which is doing well. And then behind that coleus or is another eggplant, and it's the, let me see which one. Oops, sorry. That's the white one, which means this one would have to be the Ichabod. And my ferns, which, yeah, palm, coleus. What is that? Amaryllis, but and no flower. Other snake plants, Cuban oregano, another offshoot. This is going to be a purple potato, I believe. Another plant. I don't remember the name of it. My hosta and the other hostas. I'm just trying to let them die back for the season. Dead lavender. Whatever.